Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. This is a coin review of a €2 coin. It is one of the commemorative coins that the €2 coins do, and this one was from 2011 from the Netherlands. Like all €2 coins, we've got the map of Europe on this side, on the common side as they call it, and then on this side we have Erasmus writing in his book. The monarch at the time of this coin was released was Queen Beatrix, and it's called The Praise of Folly. Now I believe that's a book that Erasmus wrote, and he's writing in his book on this coin. Now you may know that Erasmus is the latest €2 coin that has been released by all of the states that use the euro. They've each had to produce their own Erasmus coin for the Erasmus project, which is a 30th anniversary this year. This, however, is the original Erasmus coin from Netherlands, which is where Erasmus is from, and it has a mintage of 3,673,000. It is a lovely coin. It is quite... You do have the two portraits on this coin. You have Queen Beatrix here, and you have Erasmus here writing in his book as the main portrait of the coin. I do like this coin. I think it's as good as the one that has been released by all the euro wielding states of who have the Erasmus project coin, which is a single design that is released by all the euro using countries. That's okay in one thing, but if you think about wanting the whole collection of the latest Erasmus coin, you're talking Holland, Belgium, France. You've got 5 different mints in Germany. You have Italy, you have Liechtenstein, and you have Luxembourg, you have Portugal, Spain as well, and Portugal. You have Cyprus. So you'd have to be a huge collection, and it's an awful lot of the same coin in effect. It's exactly the same design, so it's, although there are valid reasons for collecting, there's an awful lot of the same design with just different mint marks on. So €2 collecting in that sense is unforgiving. It's got a lot, there's an awful lot that you have to find, and there are some very rare ones from the smaller what they call the microstates, such as Monaco and Luxembourg and places like that, and Vatican City. But this coin is one that I very much like. I'm very glad to have it in my collection. When I saw it, I thought, yes, I really want to have that one to go alongside the latest one this year, which was the Erasmus project, as I said. So, do you like this coin? Would you want it in your collection? I am doing 4 videos a week, so I hope you can find something that you like. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't yet already subscribed, I would very much like you to subscribe and follow me through my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles, and also militaria. As I'm trying to grow the channel this year to around 250 subscribers. I have a fair way to go. I'm looking to get another 100 by Christmas. So it's not going to be easy, but it's a challenge that I want to try and get to. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.